That's nice. Look at that, that's a Tesla.
Good morning, animal friends. It's Monday, June 30th, last day of June. Man, I can't believe it. So we're on our little run here, and we came across a dishwasher on the side of the road. So that's always awesome to find that. Wonderful. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we have a air conditioner. So thank you very much for your donation, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Look at this. Thank you, Linda, for the AC.
Okay, we're going to our next stop, and what do we have? A barbecue. So we found an extra dishwasher today, and we found a barbecue. Just waiting for someone to come and pick them up, and that's who we are. Okay. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we have a fan and a bike. That's what we have, a fan and a bike.
Got you a bike, right?
And this is the president. He had a very, very rough day recycling today. He had a bath last night, and then this morning he had to go out and recycle, so he's just kind of tired and taking a nap, a well-deserved nap. So I'm going to just make him cozy, because he loves to be cozy. Timmy loves to be cozy. And I love making Timmy cozy. Hey, Timmy? Yeah. Okay. You go to sleep now, my little sweetie pie.